If you're here, it's because you want to improve your pronunciation. And the only way to improve your pronunciation is to practice. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. First, I'm going to explain the schwa in less than 60 seconds. And then you will shadow me. You're going to listen, you're going to repeat, and copy my rhythm as we practice words, phrases, sentences, and eventually questions. And at the end, we're going to use everything in a small conversation. So, what do you think? Let's do it. I bet that I can explain the schwa in less than 60 seconds. Are you ready? Let's try it. The schwa is the most common sound in English. For example, you hear it when you say support. You don't say support. So, because it's the most common sound in English, it's important that you know how to say it. And the problem is that the schwa is not one vowel. It could be any of the five vowels. So, how do you know if you say the schwa? The short answer, usually when the syllables are weak, you're going to say the schwa sound. So, for this practice, whenever you see this symbol means the schwa. And how do you say the schwa? Relax your mouth, relax your stomach, and say schwa, ah, schwa. See? That wasn't even 60 seconds. Okay, enough explanation. Now it's time to practice. You can see two rows. You can see that one says say and the other one says don't say. So to start, I'm going to read it the wrong way. I want you to hear the mistake. And then I'm going to say it the right way. And I want you to shadow me. So let's begin. Don't say available, another, around, away, arrive, later, minute, open, weather, welcome. Say available, uh, uh, available, another, uh, uh, another, around, uh, uh, around, away, uh, uh, away, arrive, uh, uh, arrive, later, uh, later, minute, uh, minute, open, uh, uh, open, weather, weather, welcome, uh, welcome. Good. That wasn't so bad, was it? Now, let's practice some phrases. These phrases are useful in small talk. Don't say, be available another time. Come over. See you later. You're welcome. Say, be available. Be available. Be available. Another time. Another time. Another time. Come over. Come over. Come over. See ya later. See ya later. See ya later. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Let's say it again. Be available. Another time. Come over. See you later. You're welcome. That wasn't so bad. Now, let's practice some sentences. Don't say, I'm available for a minute. Let's do it another time. You can come over later. The weather is better now. You are welcome. Remember, relax your mouth, relax the stomach, and say the schwa. Say, I'm available for a minute. I'm available for a minute. I'm available for a minute. Let's do it another time. Let's do it another time. Let's do it another time. You can come over later. You can come over later. You can come over later. The weather is better now. The weather is better now. The weather is better now. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Good. And finally, now let's practice some common questions that use the schwa sound. Are you ready? I am. Let's do it. Don't say, are you available for a minute? Can we do it another time? Can you come over later? Is the weather better now? Are you available later? Remember, relax the mouth, relax everything, and say the schwa. Say, are you available for a minute? Are you available for a minute? Are you available for a minute? Can we do it another time? Can we do it another time? Can we do it another time? Can you come over later? Can you come over later? Can you come over later? Is the weather better now? Is the weather better now? Is the weather better now? Are you available later? Are you available later? Are you available later? Excellent. Remember, it doesn't matter if you don't get it perfect in the beginning. As long as you relax, relax the mouth, relax the stomach, little by little, you're going to dominate the schwa. Uh, schwa. Let's practice in conversation. Now that you know how to say this correctly, let's practice with somebody who cares a lot about your English. Let's talk to Kiro. Kiro, are you available for a minute?
I'm available for treats.
Oh, can we do it another time?
Yes, we can do it after my nap.
Can you come over later, Kiro?
I'll come over later. If there's food,
Kiro, is the weather better now?
I don't know. I live inside.
Okay, are you available later?
I'm available for dinner, always.
I love Kiro, and Kiro loves all of you. So, in conclusion, what did we learn today? That the schwa is the most common sound in English. And if you want to sound natural, you must learn how to pronounce it. You have to practice every day. Remember, tell yourself, I need to relax my mouth, I need to relax my stomach, I need to relax everything, and say, schwa. Follow me for more daily practice. Thank you for watching, and remember, my goal is simple. I want to teach you the simple way. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.